You know have wife. It's me have.
It's me have wife. Why are you mad? And you who a boyfriend? Ah, me idea. I see you have boyfriend is Foxy. Whatever Foxy's wear. Yup.
Oh, calm down.
Okay. This what TV?
Away stay.
I try angry to TV. TV yourself mad. Get rat.
Oh, me not mad. What happened you to annoying damn? I have boyfriend. Try you see.
Foxy and Roxanne Wolf. You mad and me try attack you.
I'm sorry. I promised to TV. I'm so sorry for you mad.
No.
Well, you can't boyfriend. You yapping annoying so well, you mad?